I was walking and I found this beautiful shell. There's the dog. Lovely. Isn't it cute? I don't know if there's anything in it, but it's like super hot. So whatever's in it might be dead. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back in the water, just, you know, in case. So there it goes. Super windy, guys. Sorry about that. Look how pretty it is today. It's gorgeous out. The water is brown, but you can see the rocks. It's kind of semi-clear. This is about as good as it gets with your man-made lakes in Arizona. There's some people fishing down there, hanging out. I was gonna film over there. It was a great spot, but then there was a dog barking and that wasn't working for me. It's so beautiful, guys. So peaceful. Look at that. It's very pretty. Now I want to go swimming, but not in here because that's gross. Sorry about this really awkward setup we got here. You're actually on a bench and I'm crouched on the ground. I was out here and of course the one thing that I forget is my tripod, so that really sucked. But yeah, you guys, it's super hot. You can probably see me sweating, so this blog idea to go out and get some nature-y shots I don't know, it's hot. But I have this outdoor nature little bug right now and I just want to be outside. I can't wait for fall. It's just super, super hot right now. Yeah, you guys, I hope you are having a fabulous weekend, and if you are out and about, you're able to enjoy yourselves. Maybe go fishing, take your dog to the park. Just don't let your dog be super obnoxious, because when you're trying to film, that's frustrating. So, anywho, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you later.